I have earned 27,000 in a single day, 50,000 in a single day, and this was my mom's reaction.
पिछले हफ्ते कितना कमाए थे पर डे?
कभी 19, कभी 6, कभी 2, कभी
आज कितना कमाए?
19.5।
और
कल भी तो
नहीं
बोल
आज
यार,
27।
बधाई हो बेटा, चट बहुत बहुत बधाई।
हाँ माँ,
बोल।
क्या कर रही है?
कुछ नहीं बेटा, कमरा में हूँ। बोल,
आज कितना?
तू बता।
गेस करो।
एक पहुंचा दिया।
अरे यार, वापस नीचे आ जाओ
80,
और नीचे आ जाओ।
70,
अरे 50, 50।
अच्छा हाफ सेंचुरी।
Hi, I'm Yash, a 24-year-old. I completed my civil engineering 3 years ago, but I don't pursue civil engineering as a career right now. What I do? I am a numerologist and occult consultant. Have you ever heard of Jyotish Vidya? Astrology, Vastu. Numerology is like a brother of astrology. Both have the same Navgraha, 9 planets. Numerology is used to calculate any person's lucky number. If any person has to buy a car, which number will be beneficial for a person? If a person is buying a car in the name of business, so which frequency can make him more wealthier, more successful in business? Have you ever noticed the richest person in your city will be having 10 cars but of the same number, 0001, 0999? Why is that so? That is calculated using numerology. Numerology is Ank Shastra. So after completing my engineering 3 years ago, I noticed I don't like it. I invested 4 years of my life in it, living my life. Thank you to my parents who have given me such a beautiful life. I was just living with my flatmates, living in PG, living in hostel, exploring Namma Bengaluru, the beautiful sky of Namma Bengaluru, blue sky, purple sky, just living my life, traveling, going to party, this and that, but not focusing on my career. Fast forward to 4th year, when campus placement started, I was like, I don't want to sit in campus placement. I don't see myself as doing job. My parents were like, what do you want to do then? I was like, I will explore something. And they were like, okay, you are young, you can explore. Then I was just looking here and there, did some research, studied, etc., etc. 2 years after completing my graduation, I found numerology. I fell in love with numerology. First, when I came across numerology word, I was like, ये क्या होता है? Then I understood lucky number, and I was like, lucky word. I was like, is it some gimmicky? Is it some scam or fraud something? Lucky number कुछ नहीं होता है. It all depends on our hard work, etc., etc. But when I researched, I was like, my mind was blown. If you will observe, Mukesh Ambani ji's date of birth is 19th. India's only female prime minister is 19th. In numerology, the most important number is just the date of birth. For example, if your date of birth is 15, that means your Moolank or psychic number is 6. So, Mukesh Ambani ji's psychic number is 6. Indira Gandhi ji's first and only female prime minister is 1. Elon Musk is 1. Ratan Tata sir is 1. Bill Gates is 1. So, how can this be a coincidence? World's richest person is 1. India's richest person is 1. Again, world's most loved superstar Shah Rukh Khan ji is number 2 ruled. World's one of the most loved leaders, Mahatma Gandhi ji, whose statue will find in America, South Africa, he's also number 2. So is there anything related to number 2 which makes a person likable? Similarly, if you will see Abraham Lincoln, who is number 3 ruled, he loved books. And Swami Vivekanand ji, who gave lecture on 0, is also number 3 ruled. Number 3 is that of brain, Dev Guru. So I fell in love with numerology. Whenever I'm going in a car, if I'm seeing another car in front of me, if it is written 0555, I'm calculating. This number is 6. So if the car's owner is this, it should be beneficial to him. Then I started calculating it. Then I started doing consultation. First, I was only limited to referrals or relatives. If any relative wants to buy a car, I will do his or her numerology, etc. Then I took my business online. I started my channel and I started posting content for the very first time. And अभी मैं आपसे बात कर पा रहा हूँ कैमरे में देख के, उस टाइम नहीं कर पाता था. This is my brother who is sitting here and he used to motivate me. You can do it. Although he didn't see any future in this business, to be honest, but he supported in my dreams. And now we are sitting here again recording for this YouTube channel. So, clearing the question, how I earn from social media? Via occult consultations. What comes in occult? Astrology, Vedic Jyotish, numerology, what we say, Ank Shastra. If you do Vastu consultations or healing, there are many types of healers, Akashic healers, Reiki healers. There are grandmasters in this. Tarot card readers. Tarot card is a very interesting thing, more interesting than numerology, but I love numerology more than tarot reading. So you can earn from consultations using this. Where most people go wrong is whenever they start content creation, they just want to chase views. Okay, there's nothing wrong with it. You're going viral, सबको पसंद है, but views doesn't pay your bills. Instagram आपको 1 मिलियन व्यूज आने पे 1 लाख रुपए नहीं देने वाला है. Get that thing out of your head first. Second, when you are in occult field, आप you cannot earn from brand offers and deals. आप समझ रहे हैं? It's very very less. लोग क्या करते हैं? They will sell their own gemstones. कोई रूबी बेच रहा है, कोई सफायर बेच रहा है, कोई लकी ब्रेसलेट बेच रहा है, पायराइट, दिस एंड दैट. वो आप कर सकते हैं. और यू कैन डू कंसल्टेशंस. इफ यू आर इन फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री, देन आप क्या कर सकते हैं? यू कैन सेल प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट्स एटसेट्रा. बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. यू विल इधर सेल दैट ज्वेल जेमस्टोन. उसमें मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था. आई कैनॉट चार्ज फ्रॉम पीपल, आई विल फील गिल्टी. I am very good at consulting people. My Bhagyang, my destiny number is number 5 planet and I am very good at communication. So consultation में देता हूँ. लोग मुझे बहुत पसंद करते हैं. एक बार सुनिए what parents have to say about me.
Truly satisfied with your answers.
Okay.
I'm more clarified कि what I want to do.
My wife only suggested you through Instagram. She likes you a lot.
मैं न्यूमरोलॉजी आपका ही देख देख के काफी मैंने देखा है, फॉलो किया है.
So these are my clients. I have also celebrity clients at just 24 years of age. But जब मैं करियर स्टार्ट कर रहा था, my parents had two doubts. First, कि न्यूमरोलॉजी फील्ड में बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस लोगे, 10-20 years. How will you survive? Valid question. Second, no one in my family has ever done this kind of business or never created content online. So उनको थोड़ी सी hesitation थी. But I was like, नहीं, I want to do it and I will do it. And by God's grace, I am here sitting in front of you, guiding you all. You can do it. Anyone can do it. If you love occult sciences. And आपको कैसे पता चलेगा if you love or not? Dedicate 1 month to it. For example, it is very scientific. If your date of birth is 8, 17 or 26, we call it Shani ka ruled, Saturn ruled. And as per our dharma, Shani's karam phal data. How much you will work, you will get that much only result. There's less luck factor. So we can say a person will get slow success. अगर आप साइंटिफिकली देखेंगे ना, सोलर सिस्टम, सन इज हियर, सैटर्न इज टेकिंग अ रेवोल्यूशन अराउंड सन. इट इज 29.4 times slower than Earth. Earth takes 365 days to complete a revolution. Saturn takes approximately 10,000 days. Please fact check me. It is 10,240. I don't know. 10,000 days. It's very slow planet. Both scientifically and as per our dharma, we know कि number 8 people will have slow success. I am number 8 as well. And आपको मैंने भी बताया कि after 2-3 years I found my career. So ऐसा होता है. People can say, okay, ऐसा नहीं होगा. मैं भी पहले मानता था कि यार लकी नंबर इट इज सम गिमिकी स्टफ, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, बट इट इज. बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े लोग कह के गए हैं कि इफ यू आर बॉर्न इन अ सर्टेन डेट इन अ सर्टेन टाइम, कुछ प्लैनेट का इससे स्टार्स का कंजंक्शन था, तभी आप इस टाइम पे हुए हैं, आपके पुराने जन्म के कुछ कर्म थे. तभी आप सोचेंगे कि इफ एनी पर्सन इज वर्किंग वेरी वेरी हार्ड, सुपर हार्ड, ही और शी इज नॉट गेटिंग सक्सेसफुल, बट सम पर्सन इज गॉड गिफ्टेड. उन्होंने कंप्लीट किया कॉलेज, he bagged 55 lakh rupees job, 80 lakh rupees job, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो नंबर्स का बहुत बड़ा खेल होता है. What I personally feel after learning numerology is कि number 1 is the most or is the best date, but not for every person. उसके बहुत there are many rules. So I earn from occult consultations. Second, how much I earn. It is projected that this year I will hit 1 crore mark. It's a very big thing. I have paid around total 2-3 lakh rupees GST. I have a GST firm, so जो भी मैं consultation लेता हूँ उसमें I pay around 18% GST. Rest is all profit. It's a very beautiful business. You help people and people in turn will give you blessings. They will appreciate your skills. They will call you sir and I'm like, please don't call me sir. You can call me by my name, but no. They will say sir, Guruji. And you don't say कि मुझे sir बोलो. They will automatically say you will get money first. In many old business, in many conventional business, I have seen कि मैनी पीपल वर्क इन क्रेडिट, आफ्टर 1 month 2 month उनके पैसे आ रहे हैं, इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. नो हैसल, यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन्स टू चेंज अ पर्सन्स लाइफ, दैट्स इट. उसी में आपको दिमाग लगाना है. एंड इफ यू कैन डू इट, इफ यू कैन डेडिकेट डेली लाइक half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour for calculation, then you can do it. It's absolutely a very, very beautiful business. मैं कैसे इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स लेके आता हूँ, हाउ आई अट्रैक्ट क्लाइंट्स, हाउ दे पे मी, मैं कैसे सेल्स करता हूँ, सब चीज़ मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया है. माई 50 लाख रुपीज़ फन और समथिंग, आप देख लीजिएगा प्लीज़. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.